goes well, our stuff, their stuff, everything will come together in a synergy.
I gotta get a video. Alright, see how there's little guides that they put on there for you?
You gotta hold them like tight. I didn't want to go if it wasn't gonna snow. If it
Well,
ain't snowing, we ain't going.
so the goal is to make it in how many days?
2.5, 3 days. Snowing, it's wet. Everything's loaded up on the trailer. We're headed out to California. Wow. Anything that could go wrong has, which is awesome because it's a challenge. It's always a new puzzle, and a little bit more on that later, but we are on the road.